filmed this at Passages like 2 weeks ago, but I wanted to show the footage here because I feel like I show a little bit too much of the naturey, tree huggery side of myself on my main channel, link in the sidebar.
Howler monkeys!
The walrus cracked the ice, and Fox started floating out to sea. Walrus saw her flying away and went to save her. He began pushing the ice floe back towards shore. And there she fell, and they fell in love, and they began to dance. Let your heart decide. I can open your eyes. As they were there dancing, one in the sea, one on land, the unthinkable happened. The evil Orca Shamuski approached.
Oh my god, yes.
Shamuski breached the water. And spontaneously bit Walrus and dragged him out to sea.
So I don't know if you noticed a second ago, my hair is like all braided and stuff. It's a little weird, I know. So do you like it? My friend Lee did it for me. I think it looks kind of cool, and it's kind of fun to hit people with. You know, you're like walking down the street, you see someone you don't like, just like... So yeah. The first week of classes was, okay, I guess. I feel like I do a lot of sitting in my room and reading and not so much socializing, which is probably not a good thing. You're always like, I don't have time, and I'm like, I guess I am kind of on a time constraint, but I don't feel like I'm always busy. So maybe it's a good thing, maybe that's a bad thing. In other news, I broke my record on the Rubik's Cube. 1:52. I know. You're insanely jealous. I joined the Kayak club. Let's hope I don't drown on the river. See you on Wednesday. Hopefully your audio doesn't go all screwy again and you don't have any problems. Sorry about that.